Back at Chimney Sweeps. Need some light. Got to start the generator up again. I was working on over here, just getting the rest of the boxes wired up.
Stuff for the carpenter.
Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 crews working on getting the bricks in and tamped down.
Use the bottom nut.
Hey, good, how are you? Give you a kind of a look at what's going on since the last time I was up here. So it looks like this is still part of a road that we can get access to this area all the way down. However, they've built more of this road here to go this way. So you got 2 lanes going in here. This was all, if you remember, this was all rock going way back to the end that's at the beginning of Chimney Rock, way back that way. And they cleared a lot of this out. Looks like this is where the river is going to be permanent. They've built a pretty good embankment up there. I don't know if they're going to add more stuff up there, or sand or whatever, or dirt, vegetation, but you can see straight down. It looks pretty good. Let's walk up here. It is absolutely gorgeous out. There's the waterfall up there, and there's Chimney Rock. Loving it. They got a nice clear path all the way down. If you remember, this was a dirt road, so they really made it quite nice here for to travel in. And we're still looking at 20 foot down along the edge. Yeah, a lot of progress over the last month. Looking good.
Main guy. One of the main guys.
One of the main guys? Okay.
Yeah, he was working over here and he had a saw, and I said, whoa, there.
There it is.
You're missing a battery? And he said, by God, I am.
Nice.
I said, yeah, I got it. Let me get it for you.
Oh, you got this sealed up pretty nice.
Yeah, that's...
So, is it...
They're going to do a mural on there of some
They're
kind.
going to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
We offered. They didn't take us.
So, so did
The public restrooms were back there.
Ah, okay, so they're behind, gotcha. So it wasn't like a shop or anything where you have to, I'm with you. You decorated it. That's very nice.
We cut that big, we just cut a piece of that off.
Yeah.
Put it around that stump.
There was an old phone pole that had been twisted out.
Somebody's gonna come and try to move that thing, and we won't be able to.
Well, watch that grow over the years, and it'll be a nice, monument.
I got it out of that.
Oh, okay. All right. Fair enough.
Should make them give you money for gas if they're using your gas.
Well, they have fuel up there.
They do.
Yeah.
No, they do. That's what I'm saying. I had one down here that was there, and I didn't know where it went.
Gotcha. Just run the wire through, strip it back, and just leave it hanging. All right. About halfway in. Bend it. All right, that's pretty good. Finally got it here. Not a whole lot to cut here, but let's do it anyways. That's pretty good. And find some more wire nuts. Huh. That worked out pretty good. Getting better at it. All right, this is going pretty well. I gotta learn to get my thumb on this more so this doesn't twist around the wire so much. But we'll get there. What it do?
Jump down with the wire.
Check it out. Done. Not too bad. Now I just got to get the plate cover on this and push these wires back in, and that one will be done. We're going to stay consistent with everything over here. You can see that we're putting in these C6 cable straps on every one of these. So we want to stay consistent with what the inspector may see. This is going to be interesting. There you go. That'll work. Voila, we're done. Not too bad. As I mentioned earlier, the licensed electrician is going to come back and check the work, and we'll move on to the next one. So I'm next door from where I'm working. I'm behind this wall over here working on the electrical, but this is the other building. Looks like it's retail space also. Don't know the name of this business, but inside's all cleared out, looking good. They've got their MC cable running through the walls. Old-fashioned studs here. Floor joists. The way they used to do it. Vapor barrier down, looks good. And yeah, we're still going to town, man. Back area. And then the back part of the building here. You can tell how far the mud came up on that lawnmower. Can't really tell on the wall where it came up to, but here you can. Check this out. So it must have came up to here, just from where the line is here. Check that out. So all the way down, it's even. So it must have just flooded all the way up. Yeah, you can tell. Look at the mud on the wall here, which matches pretty close to what we're seeing here. Incredible. All right, we're getting there, man. Getting there. Vapor barrier, old studs, old floor joists. All right, while I'm waiting for a ladder so I can do this junction box up here, I'm going to move down to that junction box at the end and get the gang box on here and all that. These. I also need some more wire nuts. Hey, look at that.
That's all I have.
Oh no, that's perfect.
Figured I'd bring this one just.
Nope, that'll work. That'll get me up to the junction box up there. So, yep. Thank you so much. Awesome. second time the generator ran out of gas, so we're filling it up here. 8 gallons, this is 5 gallons. Whole thing, yeah, just put the whole thing in there. You're good to go. They did a great job there. Nice job. Looking good. They're getting real close. They're sweeping it up and adding dirt between the cracks. All right. I am going to wire the home run here. And this is a single MC cable going into the box, so we can get away with just using these single straps. I'll take those. Yeah, thank you. Oh wait, I need the other ones. The other blue ones? Right there, yeah. Bam. That's it. Thank you. There you go. And then put one of these in.
Holy crap, you still right there?
No, I went over there. No. I have to be able to defend myself. Oh, I see. Okay. Bam. Looking good. That's it. Leave that hanging. You want a flat plate on top of that for the home run?
No, it's going to be a light.
Oh, okay. I'm putting a whip in because there's going to be a build out right here of some outlets and probably some displays. So I'm just putting this long piece of conduit in, and we're gonna curl it up and put it back right here. So just trying to be careful so not to kink it. And close it up. We're good. Check that out. Sweet. Yeah, let's just. Just finished up the second whip out and putting all the tools back. I'm going to curl this back up. Generators, you can hear the generator turning off. I'm gonna put this back here. Plenty of wire there for the whip out. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. So we just wrapped up a full day here at Chimney Sweeps. Did a bunch of electrical work, got educated today, and what a great day, man. Got educated on, I'm now an electrical apprentice. And it worked out great. Anywho, you can see the sun starting to go out. There's Chimney Rock up there with the flag, beautiful. The waterfalls over there. And just another great day. So we're gonna be back at it tomorrow. We will continue on our journey here. So probably maybe some more electrical, maybe some more saw cutting. This team over here took care of the tree, and so I don't know what's in store for us tomorrow, but it doesn't really matter. Whatever needs to be done. So we're gonna wrap it up today. See you again tomorrow. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, peace out. You know you're working hard when your hands are black from running conduit. That's a good day's worth of work right there.